Welcome to this 5-minute meditation for financial freedom. In this short practice, we will focus on a mindset of abundance and attracting prosperity into our lives. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Let's begin. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your abdomen rise with the inhale, and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Release any tension you may be holding on to, allowing yourself to relax deeply with each exhale. Now, bring your awareness to your heart center, the seat of your emotions and intentions. Visualize a warm, golden light glowing at the center of your chest, radiating outwards with each beat of your heart. Feel this light expanding with every breath, filling your entire body with a sense of warmth and vitality. As you continue to breathe deeply, repeat the following affirmations silently or out loud after me. I am worthy of abundance and prosperity. I attract wealth and financial opportunities effortlessly. Money flows to me easily and freely. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. I trust in the infinite abundance of the universe. Feel the truth of these affirmations resonating within you, anchoring themselves in your subconscious mind. Allow yourself to bask in the feeling of abundance and financial freedom that these affirmations evoke. Now, visualize yourself surrounded by a shimmering aura of golden light, symbolizing the boundless abundance of the universe. See yourself stepping into this radiant light, feeling its warmth and power infusing every cell of your being. With each breath, affirm to yourself, I am a magnet for prosperity. I attract wealth and abundance into my life with ease. Continue to visualize this golden light expanding outward, enveloping your surroundings and radiating out into the world. See yourself as a beacon of prosperity, attracting limitless abundance into your life and the lives of those around you. Take a few more moments to bask in the glow of this abundance, feeling gratitude for the financial freedom that is already yours. Know that as you align your thoughts and intentions with the energy of this abundance, you are opening yourself up to endless possibilities and opportunities for prosperity. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your breath, taking a few deep breaths to center yourself in the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, and bring your awareness back to the room. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Know that you can return to this meditation whenever you feel the need to realign with the energy of abundance and financial freedom. May you continue to attract prosperity and success into your life. If you enjoyed this meditation, kindly like and subscribe for more like this. Until next time, be well, my friend.